Presenting a pre-owned 2012 Chrysler Town & Country Touring. This four-door van has a six-cylinder, 3.6-liter V6 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chrysler has less than 115,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city, and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include automatic climate control, DVD player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, power windows, universal remote, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and Bluetooth. Thank you for visiting Motorcars.